Oh,
Okay, ready?
right.
Okay, this is going to be how to do the T1 tax return tax mechanic style. My name is Fraser Simpson. I'll be your entertainment for this evening. So, we'll just rehash a couple of things. I like to do things a certain way. And so, yeah, take your notes. You're going to have this, but every file I like to see certain things done. One of the first things is the audit, show the auditor. Right? I like to see this. Obviously, because when I'm reviewing a file, you know, I will see, even for yourself, you want to make sure that you clear off all the audit messages before it comes to me. Because if there's something left there, then, you know, that's the first thing I'll say, is how come you didn't clear that off, okay? So, this stuff, the SIN number, title, first name, last name, is very important, has to be exact, and you should take it from the Revenue Canada site, and then you match it with the intake form. Same with the address, because the address in the intake form may be different than Revenue Canada. If it is, they may have moved. And then that's various questions. You want to confirm what the address is, because as soon as you file this, it will update to this address. Okay? Over here, married, single, and all that, there's a number of questions you need to ask. That's one. You need to ask, you know, and confirm, you know, marital status, the kids, right? Ages, SIN numbers, all that. You need all that, right? And it's a common thing to ask. Right up front. You're going to have a number of questions that we're going to make up a template that we should give everybody.
And to all the client?
You
I'll
got
get
one?
that.
Okay.
I'll ask for that.
Right. So we got,
Question with the marital status. If she's a widow, it's a widow, not a single. Right?
yeah. All right. Date of birth,
Sort of quiet crew last night.
male, female. I was saying about the CRA online mail.
Yes.
Was I going
He
to
won
pick
it?
up
Yes.
him?
I mean, the important thing
Is
is
there
that
audio? Will I pick up him?
right? And if people, you know, and
Okay.
people aren't super
So
active.
you want the email address there?
Everyone has email, and you put your own email. Okay?
Yeah.
So you put tax mechanic email, and you always put already registered.
Yes.
Just click yes and put the email address. Okay? The reason being is it's a very important thing for tax court, because this is how I win all the time. Because I ask the Revenue Canada to produce the notice of assessment by email, and they can never do it. And so I get it dismissed every time because of that.
Maybe we should
You
try
can't
that
provide
next
the
time.
evidence that it was served, so you have to dismiss it. What they normally do is, even in this, is that they'll paper file and send you a notice of assessment.
Yeah.
That's no good if you ask
Yeah,
for it.
he had a lot
by
to
electronic,
share, for
right?
sure.
So you need to be able
I
to
mean, just- it's sort of
demonstrate that you
valid-
requested
it did-
that.
I must say, like,
right
it
here.
was a lot of, it wasn't exactly super.
Did
sort
you
of
dispose of any
linear,
property
but,
or properties?
it did really
2019
validate
for which you
your
are
message.
claiming a principal
What I thought.
residence exemption?
Because nobody.
That's one of the questions too you should be asking,
Always.
always, is whether you dispose of, and it's a personal residence, right? The other question is, do you want prepared to get electronic
I
notice
think he
assessment?
definitely mentioned, I thought
You
his
can put
message
yes in
was,
this.
it's gonna be situational in how we
Or
respond,
actually,
but
Yeah,
I
put
didn't
yes in
think
that.
that he was, suggesting that your
These
policy
are
was
okay,
not the right
Canadian
one.
citizen, all this is
I
pretty
didn't take that,
obvious,
but,
right?
you know, I mean, it's open to interpretation. I just
Authorization
felt like
for e-filer.
he was clearly, you
Here,
know, it had
contact
been- it was
prepare by
clear to
mail,
everybody
put
that it had been
pre-assessment,
an emotional
post-assessment.
experience for him. And that's what I mean.
Always.
That's what I mean. That validated
English.
your
Always,
sort of
sir.
main message was, hey, you're going to be so happy that we have some clarity around
And
policies.
let's
so that
put
you
this
don't
on
have to
pause
go
for a
through
second,
what
because I
these
got to
guys went
take
through
just a
and
quick
Sean
break. I got to make it
basically
10 o'clock.